Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a motorcycle that's often called a cult classic, the BMW K75. This bike has a fascinating history, and we'll be exploring its key features, performance, design, and why it might be considered a bit of an underdog in the BMW lineup. Key features: performance. Let's jump right in. The K75, produced from 1985 to 1996, was known for its unique engine layout. It wasn't your typical V-twin or inline-4. Instead, BMW opted for a three-cylinder design mounted sideways, nicknamed the Flying Brick by some. Now, don't let the nickname fool you. This engine was incredibly smooth and powerful, offering excellent torque for comfortable cruising and tackling twistier roads. Technically speaking, the K75 boasted a shaft drive system, known for its reliability and low maintenance needs. It also featured a telelever front suspension, a BMW innovation that reduces fork drive during braking, giving you a more planted feel. Design elements: uniqueness. Design-wise, the K75 wasn't the sleekest machine on the market. It had a more utilitarian, boxy aesthetic that prioritized functionality over flamboyant curves. But hey, that boxiness also meant excellent wind protection and a comfortable riding position for long journeys. Now, the K75 wasn't without its quirks. Some riders found the controls a bit awkward at first, and accessing the engine for maintenance could be trickier compared to other layouts. However, its reputation for bulletproof reliability and excellent fuel efficiency made it a favorite among touring enthusiasts. The abandoned part: why production ended. So, why did BMW discontinue the K75? This is where things get interesting. There are a few theories. Some say BMW wanted to focus on sportier models, while others believe the company underestimated the K75's appeal. Whatever the reason, the bike developed a devoted following, and used K75s are still highly sought after today. Conclusion. So, is the K75 an underrated gem or an abandoned idea? The answer, like most things in life, is, it depends. This motorcycle might not be the flashiest option, but for riders who prioritize comfort, reliability, and a unique engine experience, the K75 could be the perfect match. If you're looking for a practical touring machine with a loyal community behind it, the K75 is definitely worth considering. Just be prepared to embrace the Flying Brick nickname. Outro. Upbeat music fades. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of the BMW K75. What are your thoughts on this motorcycle? Let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more motorcycle content.